How do I pass a string into subprocess.Popen, using the stdin argument? If I do the following. I get Apparently a stdin.stringio object doesn't quite close enough to a file duct to suit subprocess.Popen. How do I work around this?
Popen.communicate documentation. Note that if you want to send data to a process as stdin, you need to create the Popen object with stdin equals pipe. Similarly, to get anything other than none in the result tuple, you need to give stat equals pipe and slash or star equals pipe 2. Replacing os.Popen. Warning: use communicate rather than stdin.write, stat.read or star.read to avoid deadlocks duetto any of the other os pipe buffers filling up and blocking the child process. So your example could be written as follows. On Python 3.5 plus, 3.6 plus for encoding, you could use subprocess.run, to pass input as a string to an external command and get its exit status, and its output as a string back in one call.
I figured out this workaround. Is there a better one?
There's a beautiful solution if you're using Python 3.4 or better. Use the input argument instead of the stdin argument, which accepts a bytes argument. This works for check_output and run, but not call or check_call for some reason. In Python 3.7 plus, you can also add text equals true to make check_output take a string as input and return a string, instead of bytes.
I'm a bit surprised nobody suggested creating a pipe, which is in my opinion the far simplest way to pass a string to stdin of a subprocess.
If you want to see more, please don't share and subscribe.